नमस्कार, आपले स्वागत असो. This is a presentation to request a permission to demolish a portion of an internal compound wall present between Mulund dumping ground and Mumbai Octroi office to give a way to clearance vehicle and utilize existing infrastructure. MCGM had published a tender for clearing Mulund dumping ground by utilizing sustainable technology for reclaiming the land. Biomining India Private Limited has won this project in tendering process and at present executing the same. The Mulund dump site, which is in the T ward of MCGM, has a pile of 70 lakh metric ton having a height of 32 meters, which is equivalent to 10-story building. The total execution time for this particular project is 5 years, where the initial years were utilized for taking required clearance, permissions and infrastructure erection. Sustainable process uses biomining technology in which chemical processing on the dump is being done, and after segregation it is being separated into site boulders, debris, plastic, rubber, metal and RDFs. These segregated materials are utilized for reuse and reprocessing and landfilling process. All the segregated and separated material has to be transported away from the dump site and away from Mumbai location. In this satellite image, we can see the location of a dump site adjacent to Eastern Express Highway, the location of Mulund Check Naka and traffic direction going towards and away from Mumbai. On the dump site, these are the three distinct areas: office area, the storage area and dump and processing area. When the loaded trucks are leaving the Mumbai dump site using the Eastern Express Highway, they have to go to Mulund Check Naka first, enter the Mumbai, again take a U-turn and leave the Mumbai and again clear the Check Naka and leave to the destination. Usually there is a traffic at Check Naka. It takes minimum 20 minutes and maximum 90 minutes depending upon the traffic density at Check Naka. Please note that all these vehicles have to enter the Mumbai and immediately leave the Mumbai, although the loaded truck does not have any work in Mumbai. Just to show the route, we are coming back to this particular slide. Adjacent to Mulund dumping ground, we have the infrastructure of an Octroi office which is not being presently utilized for any purpose. This facility has 3 gates. Middle gate is functional and both the corner gates are temporarily closed. We are requesting your permission to demolish a slight portion of an internal wall between Mulund dumping ground and Octroi facility, so that instead of taking the round route of Mulund Check Naka, the loaded truck can enter into Octroi facility. By opening the top side gate, the vehicle can directly land on Eastern Express Highway to leave Mumbai, because the presence of a T-junction very close to the top gate of Octroi facility. This shows how the present facility looks like at present. In this video, we can see there is a well demarcated part that separated from the rest of the extra facility and lead towards the top gate. If MCGM opens this gate, then it provides direct connection with the adjacent T-junction, as there is an existing road present just outside the wall boundary of Octroi facility. This slide shows how the portion of wall looks from inside, and it also shows the present condition of topside temporary closed Octroi gate. As per the existing project, the Biomining India Limited has a target of 8,000 metric ton per day. A single truck has a capacity of loading material of approximately 18 tons. It means per day, we have to make 444 trips. If we take average clearance time at the checkpost equivalent to 45 minutes, we have to spend 333 hours a day for passing the check nakas. The clearance time comes down to only 37 hours if MCGM clears the requested path. This way, there will be total saving of 296 hours per day for the clearance. We request the support of MCGM for three things. First is to open the top gate to allow exit passing. Second is a permission to temporarily demolish a portion of an internal compound wall and make the access. And third is permission to utilize the existing infrastructure to pass the loaded vehicle till exit gate. What are the advantages? First, it will reduce unwanted traffic congestion at Mulund Check Naka due to loaded vehicles. Second, it will expedite the biomining execution process for MDG project, on which there is a guidance to MCGM from the High Court. Third is no additional infrastructure need to be constructed because everything is in place to be utilized. We will not do any damage to the existing infrastructure, and removed portion of the compound wall would be reconstructed after completion of project. It will help MCGM to reduce the impedance of loaded vehicles on the free-flowing traffic at Check Naka, and it will assure high road safety for all other vehicles. With this, I come to end of my presentation. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.